In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google account to TikTok. This quick and easy process will have you connected in just a few minutes. So let's dive right into it and get started. First things first, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google search. In the search bar, simply type in TikTok and hit enter. Doing this will bring up a list of search results presenting you with different links related to TikTok. Look for the official TikTok website. Usually this will be the first result you see. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you directly to TikTok's main web page. Once you're on the TikTok website, find the login button. It's typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on it will open up a new window that provides several options for logging into TikTok. Since we're focusing on linking your Google account, you should look for the option that says Continue with Google. Select that option and click on it. This will redirect you to a Google account login page. Now you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts that are currently logged in on your browser. If the Google account you wish to link with TikTok is listed, simply select it from the drop-down menu. If you're not seeing your specific Google account in the list, you can add it by clicking on Use Another Account and entering your Google credentials. Once you've chosen or entered the account information, you can proceed by clicking Continue. At this point, TikTok might ask you to verify some additional information. This is generally a quick formality and might include entering your birthday to confirm your age. If asked, carefully select your birth date from the provided options and then submit the information by clicking OK or Continue. And there you have it, you've successfully linked your Google account to your TikTok account. This integration not only simplifies your login process, but also enhances your TikTok experience by making it easier to access and manage. Keep in mind that this process may look slightly different on different devices, but the overall steps remain the same. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip for you. If at any point during this process you encounter any issues or errors, ensure that your internet connection is stable and try refreshing the page. Sometimes logging out and then logging back in can also resolve minor issues. So, congratulations on connecting your Google account to TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy guides. Thanks for watching and see you next time.